G'day brewers, Hendo here from Rockstar Brewer Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the default fermentation chart axes in Beer 30 so you can quickly, at a glance, make sure your fermentations are running on track. Let's take a look. So if we bring up the Beer 30 dashboard, as we can see I can see all of my tanks here, and if I'll drill down into tank number 11 here, if I click it, it brings up a window and it gives me my fermentation chart. Now, by default on fermentation charts, you get 5 axes available to you, which in this case, I've got gravity, pH, the actual temperature, the set temperature, and the yeast cell count. Now, what if I wanted to change the axes on that chart because maybe at a glance I want to look at some different metrics? Well, with Beer 30, it's really easy. All I need to do is I just go to the Tools menu, and then I select the Ferment chart axes, and here are the current default fermentation chart axes. Now, gravity, pH, and actual temperature I want to keep because they're really important to me, but instead of the temp set point and the yeast cell count, let's say I wanted to get some of the calculated numbers that Beer 30 can do. So for example, I wanted to get the calculated ABV and also the calculated attenuation. Hit set axes. And now what's happened is if I go back to the dashboard and I click back into fermenter number 11, you'll see that the chart has changed. So I've still got my gravity, my pH, and the green line being my actual temperature, but you'll now see that the orange line now represents my calculated ABV. This beer is currently sitting at 7.44%. And the purple line represents the calculated attenuation. So this beer is sitting at about 76.1% attenuation. Now, as you know, there's a couple of different formulas for calculating ABV, and the Beer 30 crew have all of the common ones already programmed in, but it might not be displaying the right one. So if you're a current Beer 30 user and you want to change the formula for calculated ABV, simply reach out to the customer experience team on WhatsApp and they'll go and change that for you straight away. And if you're not a Beer 30 user and you'd like to know more about how Beer 30 can help you track your ferments better, leave the comment "ferment" below and one of the Beer 30 crew will reach out to you and arrange a demo and show you all the other functionality that's in Beer 30. Beer 30 is an amazing system. It really does help you brew much better beer. Thanks heaps for watching. I'll catch you in the next Tech Tip Tuesday video. Cheers.